Hi, good morning, children. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Welcome to Nirbhaya High School, Padmanagar Phase 2, Chintal. Digital Learning Classes to understand the subject easily. I am your English teacher, Astalakshmi ma'am. And good morning. Today is our session 4 of Word List of A. Word List of A. Word List of A. Vocabulary part. Yes, children. Till now we have learnt 40 words. Yes. Now today we are going to learn more 10 words. Total 50 words. Okay. Today meaning also I want to tell you. And I want to show you the meaning also. Write it. Okay. First one. ARTIFACT. Artifact. First we will learn the words. Artifact. What it is, children? Artifact. Next one. Artery. 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 Artifact. Artery. Third one. Arrival. 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 Next one. Architecture. 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 Next one. Assemble. 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 Next one. Associate. 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 Next one. Atlas. You know Atlas, no, children? ATLAS. 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 Next one. Anticipate. ANTI. ANTICIPATE. Anticipate. Next one. Appreciate. 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 Next one. Asteroid. Asteroid. What it is, children? Asteroid. 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 See, once again I am reading. Artifact. Repeat after me, children. Artifact. Artery. Arrival. Arrival. Architecture. Architecture. Assemble. Assemble. Associate. Associate. Atlas. Atlas. Anticipate. Anticipate. Appreciate. Appreciate. Asteroid. Asteroid. Yes, children, these are the words. 10 words. Now I am going to tell you the meanings. Yes, children. See, first one is what? Artifact. What is the artifact? See, children, here artifact means an object made by a human being. Typically one of cultural or historical interest. Means it is an human-made typical thing it is. What it is, you can tell as vessels, pottery. Yes, children, the things, the gold, steel, the jewelry they are preparing now. Yes, artifact. It's an object made by a human being. Typically one of cultural or historical interest. One of cultural or historical interest. Next one. Artery. Artery means you all know. Yes, children. It is the one of our... Yes. Yes, it is in our body. Yes, it is one of our body part. Yes, children. Inside. Internal section it is. It is the internal section. Yes, children. What is the artery here? Any of the muscular walled tubes forming part of circulation system. It is the muscular wall tubes which is formed for the circulation system. Yes, children. What it works? It does by which blood is conveyed from the heart to all body parts. All parts of the body. Yes, children, you know this part. Yes, children. See, once again, artery. What it is? Any of the muscular walled tubes forming part of circulation system. Here, by which blood is conveyed from the heart to all parts of the body. You know artery in the science. Yes. See, artery, for artery another meaning is also there. See, an important route in a system of roads, rivers or railway lines. They are called as artery. The important route in a system of roads will be there. No, the important route. That routes are also called as artery. Yes, children. Artery means what? It is in one of the tube, muscular tube in our body part by which the blood is conveyed to all parts of the body from the heart. And another one is what? It is the important route in a system of roads, rivers and railway lines. Yes, children. Next one. Arrival. Arrival means what? The action or process of arriving means coming. Something is came or something, someone is coming. Okay, children. Arriving. Arrival. The action or process of arriving. Next one. What is the next one? Architecture. What is architecture? The art or practice of designing and constructing buildings. The person who designs the buildings, no, this is called as architecture. Here also same. The architecture means what? The art or practice of designing and constructing buildings. It is the constructing or designing the buildings. It is called as architecture. Next one. Assemble. Gather together in one place for a common purpose. Assemble. Gather together in one place for a common purpose. Means common purpose we are all together will be coming in one place. Means you will be in the school, you will be assembling for prayer, no children. Assembly we will tell, no. That means we are gathering in one place for a purpose. That is assemble. And you can tell here the things which is here and there. One part, see, one car is there. The parts are all separated. Then we can tell that is also assemble. Means what? When we are collecting that parts and we are keeping it one place, that is also called as assemble. See, the car parts will be separate. When we are bringing it all the parts together and we are making a car, then it is called as assemble. Here also, gather together means what? We are gathering all the parts and preparing one thing. And for people, we are gathering at one place for a purpose. That is assemble. Understood, children? Next one. Associate. What is associate? Connect with something else because they occur together or one produces the other. Means we are involving in one thing. Be involved in one thing. Associate. Connect with something else because they occur together or one produces the other. Means we are here also gathering at one place only. Yes, children. But we are associating. We are involving in that. Okay, children. Next one. Atlas. Atlas is what? A book of maps. Atlas is what? A book of maps. Or you can tell a book of charts also. Anticipate. What is anticipate? Regard as probable. Means what? Beware of something or taking the action in order to be prepared. Before only we are taking some action. We are guessing something and we are doing before. That is anticipate. In the legal words, it will be used. Anticipate, prevail, tell. Means someone is did something wrong. Before the police comes and arrest these fellows, what they will do? They will bring the bail. Yes, that is anticipatory bail. They will tell. Like that here, anticipate. It is regarded as a probable. Means bewaring. Before only we are doing some action. We know that it happens. So before only we are taking some action. Appreciate. Appreciate. What is appreciate, children? Recognize the full worth of. Means what? Something has done. Some person is something good. Then we should recognize that thing. We should recognize what he has done good. That is called as appreciate. Okay, next one. Asteroid. What is asteroid? Everyone knows this. A small rocky body is orbiting the sun. In the space, they will be having a small rocky bodies. They are called as asteroids. Yes, children, we have learnt all the words meaning also, no? See, once again, I am showing you to read once again. Artifact. An object made by a human being, typically one of cultural or historical interest. Artery. Any of the muscular wall tubes forming part of the circulation system by which blood is conveyed from the heart to all parts of the body. And the another meaning is also there. An important route in a system of roads, rivers or railway lines. Arrival. The action or process of arriving. The action or process of arriving. Next one. Architecture. Architecture. The art or practice of designing and constructing buildings. The art of practice of designing and constructing buildings. Assemble. Gather together in one place for a common purpose. Assemble. Gather together in one place for a common purpose. Associate. Associate. Connect with something else because they occur together or one produces the other. Means to be involved with. Atlas. A book of maths. Anticipate. Regards are as probable. Beware of and take action in order to be prepared. Appreciate. Recognize the full worth of. Recognize the full worth of. Asteroid. A small rocky body orbiting the sun. A small rocky body orbiting the sun. These are the word and meaning. Yes, children. Once again we will learn the words. First one is artifact. Artifact. Artery. Artery. For next one. Arrival. Arrival. Next one. Architecture. Architecture. Assemble. Assemble. Associate. Associate. Atlas. Atlas. Anticipate. Anticipate. Appreciate. Appreciate. Asteroid. 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 Okay, children. Write the meanings, words, word and meaning and learn how to pronounce the word. Understood, children? Learn how to pronounce the word. Everyone have understood this? By this we will be completing the word list of A session 4. Total 50 words we have completed. Okay, children? Complete. You write in your classwork and in your read the words, practice the and understand the meaning.